Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Al-Fajri Nur Rahman. My ID is 341200049. My class is 1C Mechanical Engineering. Today I will explain about the SingBoard appearance along with some of its types. SingBoard appearance is a signet that is always selected and display a person or product name. Nameplates are usually rectangular in shape as well as in other shapes, but sometimes make up the shape of a person with the name. SingBoard primarily serve an informative function, such as in a mechanical workshop environment where signet warning signs and signs are posted on doors or walls, identifying worker spaces and providing information to workers, or commercial roles, such as in retail environment where signet is installed on the product to identify the brand. SingBoard appearance tips are: A. Prohibitory signs. Prohibitory signs are signs that prohibit workers from doing something because it can endanger safety when doing work. Letter and prohibition signs are usually made in red, combined with black, while the background is usually white. The following are example or prohibitory signs. Number 1. It is forbidden to eat and drink. Its characteristics are: A. Square shape. B. White with black border. C. There is a picture of food and a glass in a red circle with a diagonal center line. D. Usually pasted at the entrance of the production area. A. Used to remind employees not to bring any food or drink into the area because it can interfere with work activities, pollute the work area, and contaminate product. Number 2. It is forbidden to turn on the phone. Its characteristics are: A. Square shape. B. White in color with a red border. C. There is an image of a mobile phone in a red circle with a diagonal center line. D. This is a prohibition on turning on or activating cell phone in locations that have the potential for fire. A. There are many prohibition signs in rooms where there are chemicals. V. Aims to support the safety and soundness of the place. B. Warning sign. Warning sign is a type of sign that signals a danger, obstacle, or potential condition that requires special attention. Some are warning signs that are in the mechanic workshop aimed at signaling the dangers that may occur to workers. Here are examples of warning signs. Number 1. Beware of toxic material. Its characteristics are: A. Triangular. B. There is a black border on a yellow background. C. There is a picture of a skull and two bones in the middle of the triangle. D. Signs that aim to provide information that there are toxic and dangerous chemicals to be careful. Number 2. Flammable. Its characteristics are: A. Triangular. B. Black pictogram and a yellow background with a black border. The yellow part takes up at least 15% of the marking area. C. There is a picture of a fire in the middle of the triangle. The chemical symbol above indicates that the material is flammable. C. Mandatory signs. Mandatory signs are things that function so that workers use complete personal protective equipment in order to avoid things that are not desirable when doing work in the mechanical workshop and so that work runs smoothly. Here are examples of mandatory things. Number 1. As hand protection. Its characteristics are: A. In the form of a blue circle. B. There is a picture of a pair of gloves in the middle, blue and white. C. Usually found in a mechanic workshop. D. Aims to remind workers to always wear gloves before. Number 2. Wear a mask. Its characteristics are: A. In the form of a blue circle. B. There is a picture of a head and a white mask. C. Usually found in a mechanic workshop. D. Aims to always use a mask when you want to do work to avoid welding, splashes, or other objects. D. Emergency escape or first all things. Emergency escape or first all things are things to evacuate or notify workers when a problem occurs. They can quickly take action and to notify workers, gathering point, and so on. Number 1. Evacuation route. Its characteristics are: A. Green rectangle. B. There is a picture of a person opening a door in the middle with white and green colors. C. There is a white arrow. D. Usually placed in the corridor for easy viewing. E. Aims that workers can run quickly when problems such as fire and disaster occur. Number 2. Assembly point. Its characteristics are: A. Green square shape. B. There are pictures of 3 with people standing and 4 with a row. C. Usually found in a large area and some distance from the workplace. D. Aims to facilitate the collection of workers in the event of a problem such as fire and disaster. So many presentation from me about the Singboard appearance, more or less. Please forgive me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and thank you.